In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. If you've ever wanted to share a quick audio note instead of typing everything out, this method is simple and reliable. We'll use a basic voice recorder, save the clip, and then drop it right into Discord so it plays back like a regular audio message. First, you'll need a voice recording app. You can use the built-in sound recorder that comes with Windows or any trusted third-party voice recorder you already have installed. The built-in option is perfectly fine for quick messages and keeps things straightforward. Open your recorder and capture your voice message. Speak clearly and keep your microphone at a comfortable distance to avoid distortion. When you're done, stop the recording so the app can save it. Most recorders save automatically and display your latest clip at the top of the list. Short clips usually work best for quick communication and upload faster. Next, locate the actual audio file on your computer. In many recording apps, you can right-click the finished clip and choose Show in Folder. That will open File Explorer directly to the file's location, which saves time hunting around. You'll see the audio file there, typically in a format like MP3, M4A, or WAV. These common formats work well for sharing. Now, switch over to Discord on your PC and open the chat or server channel where you want to send the voice message. With the File Explorer window still open, click and hold the audio file. Drag it over to the Discord message box and drop it in. Discord will prepare the upload and show you a small preview. If you like, you can type a short caption to give context, then send the message. The upload time will depend on your internet speed and the length of the recording, so give it a moment if it's a larger file. Once it's sent, your message will appear as a playable audio right in the chat. You and anyone in that conversation can press play to listen without downloading anything extra. If you want to double check, press play yourself to confirm the volume and clarity are good. That's all there is to it. Record with a simple voice recorder, reveal the file in its folder, and drag and drop it into Discord to share. It's a quick way to add tone, nuance, and personality to your messages, especially when typing just isn't fast enough. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending your voice messages on Discord.